right, there's the Allegheny Plateau, one of the demarcation boundaries, the climatological boundaries here in the Mid-Atlantic. And as we cross the Allegheny Plateau, we go east of the mountains where temperatures are much warmer. Greetings, weather prognosticator and meteorologist Chad Merrill, taking you through the next week here in December with a look at our weather forecast. First of all, the 30-year climate averages suggest that this period from December 7th all the way to early March is typically the coldest 90-day period for the Mid-Atlantic. And as you go farther north into northern parts of Pennsylvania, we typically see that evolve all the way through the first week in March. Historically, January brings us the most snow across the Mid-Atlantic, but notice there is a high concentration of more snow in February than January east of the mountains based on the last 30-year climate averages for the Mid-Atlantic. What's coming up with our weather? Well, first of all, we're in a La Nina pattern, and that's exactly what's going to transpire here. The cold weather early this week is going to be lodged off towards the north and east, and the storm track going forward for the next 7 days is going to show a storm system coming out of the central plains, moving up into the Great Lakes, and as it does so, we are going to be on the warm side of it this coming weekend, and we are going to see showers, perhaps an inch of rain, and on the back side of the storm system, enough cold air is going to bring snow showers from western Pennsylvania into the Alleghenies. No significant weather other than the storm system late Saturday into Sunday will bring an appreciable amount of rain. Not expecting any flash flooding, but there will be winter weather advisories on the backside of it across the Alleghenies and western Pennsylvania for a couple of inches of snow. Bishop's Events has a running event on the 12th, which is Saturday. That is the Winter Lake Anna 5K, 10K, and half marathon in Spotsylvania. The weather is looking dry for that race. On the 13th, we have the Columbia Island 5K and 10K in Arlington. We do see a couple of showers for that particular race, but the heaviest rain should come a little bit later in the day, and we will have mild weather for both races Saturday and Sunday. The 2020 Toys for Tots 5K, 10K, and 1 miler, December 13th in Fredericksburg. That is Sunday. Do expect a couple of showers, but mild temperatures for December. And that is a look at Bishop's Events. As we come back here, we are on the Allegheny Plateau, and of course we have a beautiful view here in western Maryland. This is Dan's Mountain in western Maryland, where the snow that we had at the very beginning of the month mostly melted, except for the north-facing slopes, because that's away from the direct sunlight. So keep that in mind during the winter storms going forward, that the south-facing areas will see the melting first, followed by the north-facing areas later as temperatures warm up. Thanks for joining me for this week's Weather Podcast.